This is just a very basic one. Paslode. Adjuster for the depth stop. Somebody's had a go at it. Dismantled it. Can't get it back together again. I believe it was an apprentice. Just need to get the depth adjuster back together. So just do a quick wee video here. Show you how to do it, so I don't get it in again. A few different parts of them. Only 2 bolts. Very simple to do. Probe first underneath here. There's this wee square block. That's a wee rectangular nut with 2 holes in it. That's what you're screwing onto. Make sure you tap that up so it's underneath the 2 holes, so it's in the right location. So this is probably where it gets confusing for these newer models. These wee orange push buttons, which way do they go? They've got a big wide opening and a small opening. The head, that bar goes onto the narrow opening, so there's room to pivot underneath. Same again. There's a grip side, a pointed side. Pointed side goes on. The little grips stay out. Then you've got your leaf spring and your top plate. Then your 2 bolts. And that's all there is to it. Just get both the bolts started before you tie them down, tighten them down. That's it. That's all there is to it.